In a significant legal battle, fast fashion giant SHEIN has filed a lawsuit against rival online retailer Temu, accusing the company of copyright infringement and the theft of trade secrets. Before we proceed, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to help us with the YouTube algorithm. This lawsuit, filed in a U.S. district court, marks the latest escalation in the fierce competition between these two major players in the fast fashion industry. SHEIN, known for its extensive and affordable fashion collections, alleges that Temu has engaged in a pattern of copying its designs and using deceptive practices to mislead customers. The lawsuit claims that Temu has not only copied SHEIN's copyrighted designs, but has also engaged in unfair competition by using SHEIN's brand name and product images to drive traffic to its own website. According to SHEIN, Temu's actions have caused confusion among consumers, leading them to believe that the products they are purchasing from Temu are either affiliated with or endorsed by SHEIN. This, SHEIN argues, has resulted in significant financial harm and damage to its reputation. In addition to the copyright claims, SHEIN accuses Temu of stealing trade secrets. The lawsuit alleges that Temu has hired former SHEIN employees who had access to confidential business information, which Temu then used to gain an unfair competitive advantage. SHEIN is seeking monetary damages, as well as an injunction to prevent Temu from continuing these practices. The lawsuit underscores the high stakes in the fast fashion industry, where companies are constantly vying for market share in a highly competitive environment. This legal battle is not the first between SHEIN and Temu. The two companies have been locked in a bitter rivalry as they compete for dominance in the fast fashion e-commerce space. Both SHEIN and Temu have rapidly expanded their global presence, leveraging social media and influencer marketing to attract a young, fashion-conscious audience. However, this rapid growth has also led to increased scrutiny and legal challenges, particularly over issues of intellectual property and ethical business practices. The outcome of this lawsuit could have significant implications for the fast fashion industry as a whole. If SHEIN is successful in its claims, it could set a precedent for how intellectual property rights are enforced in the digital age, particularly in the fast-moving world of fashion. The case also highlights the broader challenges facing fast fashion companies, including the need to balance innovation and competition with respect for intellectual property and fair business practices. As the legal proceedings unfold, industry watchers will be closely monitoring the case for any developments that could impact the strategies and operations of other fashion brands. The lawsuit also serves as a reminder of the importance of protecting intellectual property in an industry where designs and trends can be replicated and distributed at lightning speed. For consumers, the case may raise questions about the authenticity and origin of the products they purchase online, as well as the ethical practices of the companies they support. In the broader context, this lawsuit is part of a growing trend of legal disputes in the fast fashion sector, where the lines between inspiration, imitation, and infringement are often blurred. As brands continue to push the boundaries of design and marketing in the digital age, the courts may increasingly become a battleground for resolving these complex issues. The SHEIN versus Temu case is just the latest example of how intense competition in the fashion industry can lead to high-stakes legal battles that could shape the future of the market.